Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about what is citizen data. Okay, and how just you can protect it, and what are the uh, privacy-enabled technology you can use to protect your citizen data. Yeah. So first of all, we need to understand what exactly is this citizen data. Um, Here is the citizen data. Is what exactly it is. The identity for an individual which can differentiate from somebody to someone else. Okay, identity for a particular person. Okay, that's the citizen data. What it can be included, like date of birth, yeah, your address, your medical data, DNA, biometric, whether there's your fingerprints, your retina, anything, or your ID documentation, whether your Aadhaar card, your driving license, your PAN card, and it can be for your educational records. So these collectively just make your citizen data. Okay? And when we are just generating that data, uh, what kind of exposure we are giving to other people, yet what information we are just giving to other different users, different data collector vendors, we can say. Those they will use that data for making record about us. Okay, like on phone, what we are doing, we are using different applications. We're just taking record of our photos, our phone, our contact details, and many another different data they are asking to use certain applications. Yeah, uh, and on social media we are uh, when creating an account, we are just giving detail about our date of birth. We are giving the detail about address. We are continuously posting on social media something, just we visited or a hill station on vacation, and we purchased this thing. This is our friend, family, our spouse, our kids. A lot of information we are sharing. What is the food we like, what type of purchasing we do, what is our favorite color even. So just we just give a lot of information on social media, and financial details as well. We are having online. Okay, and when your data that's we are generating or generated by from the citizen data, that's observed, our uses over the internet. Just I'm just taking example of internet. They are just tracking it down, what we are doing, on which websites we are going. They just collect that information with the help of. Okay, and those cookies will collect the information about here, and then they just which type of data you are using. Maybe you are watching some certain uh, kind of YouTube videos, some music you are listening, or you are visiting to certain website for purchasing something. It's just keeping record of each and everything, and via the CCTV cameras, they are continuously observing which person is just moving, which direction, what they are doing, where they are going. Just keep recording all that information. And nowadays, we are using a lot of IoT devices at our home, at our offices to do the things remotely, efficiently. But they are collecting a lot of information about us. Okay, and when the data, this data collectively integrated, it's just making some sense. It's just helping lot of people over the internet who are a big name, like Facebook, like YouTube, Google, and many other, LinkedIn, many other different websites. What they are doing, they are just collecting information about you, what we are just doing over there, and that information is too much valuable for the advertising as well. They will profile, yes, I need the person from certain age, say 20 to 40 age, and they are prompt to purchase something. Okay, so the ad of that certain type of item will start to appear on our screen. Okay, so that data also, it's not just only your username and password. It's a lot of information which we are having, which we share, which is being tracked down. So what we can do then to protect it? There are regulations. Okay, like EU's general data protection regulations. Okay, we can also use encryption method. Whatsoever the data we are having on our devices, we can encrypt it. There are multiple methods to encrypt the data, or we can use SSL and TLSL certification when we are communicating over internet, just to making the secure communication between us and the website which we are using, or making some kind of transaction. We must closely look at whether that's having digital certificate from well authorized CAs. Okay, or end-to-end protection we can use for the encryption of data when we are sending some information over the internet. It's just uh, the path it is just following, it must go in the encrypted format. So in between, if a man in middle attack exists, or somebody will steal that information, less for them until unless they don't have the decryption key of the data. There are certain technologies which we can also use to enable the privacy, just to keep our data private. For example, when we visit public places, whether cafeteria, some hotel, or airport, anywhere outside, we are just prompted to use the free Wi-Fi. Don't do that. Don't use it. Okay, or if you use it, then be conscious about it, what you are doing over there. Don't share any sensitive information. First of all, just I'm just suggesting you don't use. And with the help of the Tor, uh, just start to use the Tor for making your communication secure. Privacy you can maintain with the help of the Tor as well. Okay, and when you access certain kind of website which you don't want to give that information to the other, regularly keep clearing the cookies. Okay, and over the internet when you access, make sure you are accessing with the help of the HTTPS. And if you want to access any HTTP only website, don't share your credential over there. Clear? And for search engine, you can use DuckDuckGo, Q1, or Start Page. They are not saving the histories what we are doing. They are not even you can use the advertise broker. Lot different technologies are there, different features are there which can maintain our privacy. Okay, and follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and information. Also share that session with your friends and so that they will be able to understand what is the citizen data and how carefully they should share that information over the net or with somebody else. Okay, see you in the next session. Namaste.